Hey everybody, it's Scott from Traveler Tech Solutions. Today we're taking a look at the Duo Bluetooth speaker set by DBEST London. This is a stereo speaker set that can connect via Bluetooth or 3.5mm audio jack, which means these speakers can connect to almost any audio device. Now, before I jump too far into the details, I want to set some basic expectations. These speakers aren't going to compete with high-end desktop computer speakers. However, they will drastically increase the audio quality that you receive from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop speakers. And they'll do so in a convenient way because they are so portable. Now, I only say this because I've read some reviews that have unrealistic expectations considering the size and cost of these speakers. Now to get into what's included in the package, you get two speakers, one with an integrated amplifier, Bluetooth receiver, and battery, and one passive speaker. You get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. Now it's important to note that in order to hear stereo sound, the speakers must be connected together with this cable. You also get a proprietary USB to micro USB cable with a 3.5mm audio connection, which allows you to charge the speakers and connect them to a wired audio source. And lastly, you get a small carrying pouch. Now you should know that Bluetooth audio does have its limitations. Bluetooth audio transfer typically won't sound as good as a wired connection, and it requires more power to run, both from your audio source, like your phone or tablet, and from these speakers themselves. That's why the proprietary cable is so useful. It allows you to power the speakers from your laptop's USB port and transfer audio from the headphone jack, which will provide the best audio quality. Or you can scrap the cable altogether if you want to connect via Bluetooth and run them off their internal battery. Now the speakers have a frequency range of 180 Hz to 20 kHz. The included cable has a 3.5mm connection, which allows them to connect to most audio sources. And more importantly, when it comes to portability, they use Bluetooth version 2.1 for simple pairing to Bluetooth-enabled devices with a wireless range of up to 45 feet. Now with their integrated 500 mAh lithium polymer battery, they can be independently powered for up to 20 hours of continuous audio. I've been using these speakers for several weeks now, and I can honestly say I'm quite happy with them. The build quality is excellent. I accidentally dropped one of the speakers on a hard floor at about chest height and it didn't even leave a mark, and it continued to work perfectly. They are powerful enough to fill a medium-sized room. They can be charged with a standard micro USB cable, which limits the need for additional charging cables. They have an excellent battery life, and they're extremely portable. Both speakers even have a small magnet inside their casing so they can snap together and be carried easily in one hand. I'm personally happy with the audio quality, but there are larger and more expensive Bluetooth speakers on the market that will likely sound even better. I did notice a bit of interference when they were powered by my USB connection in my MacBook Pro. This is likely just due to the thickness of the proprietary cable. Now, given all of this, if you have a phone, a tablet, or a laptop with mediocre speakers, then I highly suggest you try out a set of these. They run around $50 on Amazon.com, and in my opinion, they're well worth the price. I will post an audio sample so you can hear the difference between my stock Nexus 7 speakers and these. Thanks for watching. If you want to see future product reviews, be sure you subscribe to Traveler Tech Solutions on YouTube.